As a landlord, do you ever find yourself worrying about late night calls over the weekend, maintenance issues that you might be missing, or late rent payments? It's a common concern for a lot of different owners, and oftentimes they find themselves over the weekend standing in Home Depot trying to figure out if they should even have a disposal fixed, or if they need to, how are they going to even do it? Owning a rental property can bring about a long list of responsibilities. A lot of the times it comes with things like late payments, evictions, renewals, or making sure that the maintenance issues that are happening at your property are actually done the right way with the right vendor. Pretty soon it starts to feel like a second time job. And let's be honest, you're already very busy as an investor or a landlord yourself. Some property owners, they have the experience and they don't mind being hands-on. They want to be part of the process. They don't mind doing the maintenance, making sure that the tenants are okay, and making sure that, all the accounting is in place. But if you have a full-time job and a full life to live, and maybe you're out of state, or maybe you have multiple properties and can't manage all of them, that's a great time for Keyrenter to start helping you out as an investor or a property owner, a rental unit landlord, essentially. We handle every aspect of property management, so you don't have to. We provide professional tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance coordination, lease administration, inspections, accounting and reporting, 1099 filing, eviction management, and responsive communication with tenants, even at nights or weekends, so that you can be assured that everything is okay with your properties. Because we've been managing properties for years, we know the difference between a simple repair and an unnecessary replacement. Sometimes that disposal doesn't need to be replaced at all. It just needs a quick adjustment with an Allen wrench or something very basic. Our experience helps save owners money and time while we're keeping their tenants happy. Most importantly, we help protect your investment as a property owner. Our systems, processes, and local market expertise are designed to maximize your rental income, minimize vacancy, and reduce the stress that often comes with owning a rental property. If you're considering renting out your property, we'd love to help. Schedule a consultation with our local property management experts. We'll walk you through your property's rental potential, discuss expected income and expenses, explain current market conditions, and help you understand what it would look like to manage the property yourself versus having a professional team handle everything. Whether you're a first-time landlord or a seasoned investor, our mission is simple. We want to help you enjoy all the benefits of property ownership without all the headaches. So if you're looking for a trusted, experienced property management company here in the Utah area, give Keyrenter a call. We've been doing this for about a decade, and if you want that confidence that your property is safely managed with a professional property firm, we would love to make this investment experience for you and your rentals awesome. Give us a call today. We'll help you create a truly passive rental experience so that you have the confidence that your property is professionally managed and maximizing its profitability.